Business intelligence buy leverages software and services to transform data into significant insights that illuminate an organization's vital and strategic business decisions. Buy tools get to and break down data indexes and present analytical and insightful findings in reports, synopses, dashboards, charts, graphs and guides to furnish clients with detailed knowledge about the condition of the business. The term business intelligence frequently also alludes to a scope of tools that give brisk, simple-to-process admittance to insights about an association's present status, given accessible information. Business intelligence models. Reporting is a focal feature of business intelligence, and the dashboard is maybe the prototype and archetypical buy tool. Dashboards are software applications that automatically pull together accessible data into graphs and charts that give a feeling of the prompt condition of the organization. Even though business intelligence doesn't guide business clients what to do or what will occur if they take a specific course, nor is buy exclusively about producing reports. Or maybe, buy offers a path for individuals to analyze information to get drifts and infer bits of knowledge by smoothing out the exertion expected to look for consolidation and question the information essential to settle on sound business choices. Buy vendors Tableau and G2 additionally offer reliable instances of how organizations may put business intelligence tools to utilize. A community organization could use buy to monitor the track of member acquisition and maintenance. I tools could automatically produce sales and conveyance reports from CRM data. A sales group could use buy to make a dashboard indicating where every rep's prospects are on the business sales pipeline. The first is customary or classic buy, where IT experts use in-house conditional information to create reports. The second is modern buy, where business clients collaborate with agile, intuitive frameworks to analyze data all the more rapidly. Organizations regularly utilize modern buy tools when business users need understanding into rapidly evolving dynamics, for example, advertising and marketing events, in which being quick over getting the information 100% right. Yet, while reliable business intelligence is necessary to settling essential and strategic business decisions, numerous organizations struggle to actualize effective buy strategies, thanks to poor data practices, tactical mistakes and more. Business intelligence software and frameworks. A wide range of sorts of tools falls under the business intelligence umbrella. The software selection service separates probably the foremost essential categories and highlights. Visualizations. Dashboards. Reporting. ETL, extricate, transfer, load. Tools that import information from one data store into another. Data mining. OLAP, online analytical processing. There are vast loads of vendors and contributions in the buy space, and wading through them can get overwhelming. Business intelligence strategy. Before, IT experts had been the essential users of buy applications. Be that as it may, buy tools have developed to be more instinctive and easy to understand, empowering an enormous number of clients across an assortment of organizational domains to tap the tools. AI advances in transforming business intelligence. Self-service business intelligence. The drive to make it workable for pretty much anybody to get valuable data out of business intelligence tools has offered to ascend to self-service business intelligence. A class of buy tools pointed toward abstracting the requirement for IT intercession ceaselessly in producing reports. Self-service buy tools empower associations to make the organization's internal information reports all the more promptly accessible to chiefs and other non-technical staff. Remember, however, that there are traps to self-service buy as also. By controlling your business users into turning out to be impromptu data engineers, you can wind up with a confusing blend of metrics that differ across divisions. Run into data security issues, and even run up significant licensing or SaaS bills if there's no incorporated authority over tool rollout. So regardless of whether you are focusing on self-service business intelligence within your association, you can't only purchase an off-the-shelf product, guide your staff to the UI, and hope for the best.